Receding hairline doesn't mean you're going to bald. Ignoring it. That's where people mess up. Let's fix it before it gets worse. First, understand this. Hairline recession usually starts at the temples. You will notice a subtle M shape forming. It's mostly due to genetics, stress or hormones, especially DHT, the enemy of your hair. When DHT attaches to your hair roots, it slowly makes them weaker and thinner, until they stop growing completely. But here is the good news. You can slow it down or reverse it back. Tip 1. Start with gentle caffeine-based DHT blocking shampoo. Avoid harsh sulfate ones. Tip 2. Use rosemary oil and minoxidil. But stay consistent. Hair regrowth takes 3 to 6 months of patience. Tip 3. Fix your lifestyle. Sleep enough, reduce stress, and increase protein plus iron in your diet. Your hair literally feeds off your nutrition. Tip 4. Massage your scalp daily for 5 minutes. It boosts your blood flow and keep hair active. Remember, your hairline isn't fading. It's just asking for attention. Give it what it needs and keep growing till then. Subscribe.